Oh, hey there. I'm Conrad Bitangcol with the RE/MAX Professionals, and this is another episode of the Real Estate Experience. And today I'd like to welcome you to the West Edmonton community of the Hamptons. And it's not just the Hamptons, it's the neighborhood of Copperwood in the Hamptons. Oh yeah. And I'm pretty sure you're gonna wanna stick around for me to take you through this home, located at 1096 Hope Road.
Hey, look, Ma, I made it. Hey, look, Ma, I made it.
This home is one word, amazing. It's a two-story home with over 2,700 square feet of living space. Inside, you're gonna find 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. You're gonna get a large bonus room, as well as a home office and a separate dining room. And this home has all the nice little finishing touches. The kitchen is pretty spectacular. So let me take you inside and I'll show you around. Enjoy the tour. The inside of this home is quite incredible, and I think you guys are gonna love it. The main floor offers an office and a pretty nice separate dining area, and also take note of the beautiful coffered ceiling. The kitchen is a gourmet chef's dream, and what the kitchen offers is granite countertops, high-end stainless steel appliances, premium custom cabinetry, and you're also gonna get this great big island, which is gonna be perfect for entertaining. I just love that. Spacious mudroom leads to the large walk-in pantry that accommodates a full-size fridge or freezer. And upstairs, it's pretty amazing. You have over 1,400 square feet of living space alone, and you'll have features like this big bonus room. You're also gonna get 3 spacious bedrooms. Up here, you'll also have the convenience of a 2-piece bathroom and an upstairs laundry. And the master bedroom, wait till we check that out. Welcome to the master bedroom. And believe me, this master bedroom is everything you'd want in a master bedroom. So the master offers lots of space. So if you have big furniture like a king-size bed, it will accommodate that. You're also gonna get his and her walk-in closets and a built-in fireplace. This master bedroom also has the fine little finishings like the built-in his and her reading lights and the crown molding in the ceiling. And the ensuite is pretty stunning as well. It's a 5-piece and has a deep soaker, dual vanities, a large walk-in shower. The yard is fully finished and has lots of space for you guys to enjoy and run around. And this home also has a covered deck, perfect for barbecuing when it's raining out. And in general, I think this is gonna be a great space to relax, kick your feet up, and just enjoy the outside. As well, the double attached garage is oversized, has high ceilings, and if you happen to have a truck, this garage will definitely accommodate that. So that wraps up today's video tour of 1096 Hope Road in the neighborhood of Copperwood in the Hamptons. What did you think of the house? Let me know in the comments below. If you're looking for more information on this home, I will leave a link in the description. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the tour. Again, my name is Conrad Bitangcol with RE/MAX Professionals. Till next time, peace.